Emerging trends for successful talent acquisition and staffing. Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm an HR professional for a local software company, and I've been noticing several emerging trends that are affecting successful talent acquisition and staffing. Recent research indicates that organizations that most effectively convey an authentic and compelling employer brand and excel in sourcing, managing, connecting, and deploying a diverse workforce have a distinctly competitive market advantage. So, how exactly is the composition of the workforce changing, and what is the importance of today's enterprise? There has been a massive labor shift, and organizations are responding to both the availability of the talent in contingent labor and the availability of solutions for managing a contingent workforce. As the labor market creates a lot of new opportunities for organizations to evolve their workforce management practices, organizations need to update their contingent workforce management practices to build more elastic workforces. As emerging trends continue to change the way organizations acquire talent, it's important to know what challenges the increase in the external workforce presents to the talent planning, acquisition, and sourcing functions of an organization. It's rare that HR has insight into who contractors are, as well as what skills they have, where they've been, and where they want to go next, since silos between procurement and HR have always limited an organization's ability to plan and analyze utilization to optimize the total workforce. Organizations must ensure that the gaps between the permanent and contingent workforces are being filled, and that the two groups are working in tandem instead of separately. With emerging trends in talent acquisition and staffing, it's essential to understand what the critical components of successful management are. The first component is integrating recruiting strategies for permanent, part-time, and contingent labor. This can be achieved by factoring contingent worker experience into things like employer brand, measuring the success of your workforce management practices, and aligning this success with your talent acquisition strategy. Another component for success is developing a more robust onboarding and offboarding experience for contingent workers. These workers need to be plugged into the resources required to do the work just like permanent employees do. When HR is given more oversight, they can ensure the organization isn't losing resources and putting the business at risk. Having a well-established and effectively managed total talent supply chain enables organizations to better respond to shifts in the market and scale up or down as necessary and with relatively short notice. By understanding the emerging trends for successful talent acquisition and staffing, your organization will be better suited to rethink the way it approaches the contingent workforce as a critical part of modern business. If you want to learn more about emerging trends for successful talent acquisition and staffing,